No person. Done. Okay, back. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's good. What's a mistake? You?
That mistake?
Yeah. Maybe you have a mistake.
I don't scan it.
See you guys later. Alright guys, so yeah, check-in, pretty successful. Except the guy was yelling at the other guy. He was in training. But guys, yeah, let's go put our feet under the heater. Put the old bear screen on. Let's see if you can ride on the back, or I can carry you. Okay, so he said that way, and then that way to the left or something. Okay. All right, guys. So we made it. Yeah, let us go defrost our feet. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do about. Yeah, definitely gonna nip out to that 101, 102, 112. So he's put me on this side here, which will have nice convenient exit to the sidewalk. How you doing, fella? 110. Yeah. Yeah, the guy hooked it up here with the convenient. Well, no, there's a fence there. So anyways, I gotta go all around. Yes. All right. Yeah, guys. Wow. I think this was the best priced hotel yet, like 55 bucks. And this is what you guys get. Look at that. You get an unplugged lamp there. Here, let's put the heat on. Heat. Well, we can put it to 90, but we're not. We're gonna put it to 87. Fan on high. Oh, you guys, so if we reverse like that, yeah, this was certainly the best priced deal out of any of them today, for this trip. There we go. Right in the corner there. Huh. Nice parking job there, guys. So yeah, guys, let's do a little tour here for 55 bucks. I believe that's what it was. Let's see how the lighting system works here. Yeah. Well, pretty bright without that shade. Yeah, there's a fridge that's actually working. Wow. Wow, guys, they put the fridges on even working. There we are. So guys, if I tell you yeah, $58 with taxes, guys, with all taxes included. So wow. Yeah, let's get some weight off of me here. So yeah, guys, $58. And yeah, you get 4 pillows, man. A proper king size bed, proper one. Yeah, that's blasting. That's blasting for us. And yeah, guys, you get sockets right by the lamps there, so you can plug in your amenities. So let's get everything out on the table as we go. Here are all the batteries, guys. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries. Yes, they were. Yeah, due to the coldness, guys. Because it pretty much felt like it was 14. Yeah. And you get a crapper here, Thomas Crapper. Otherwise, that's in England they call it a crapper because there was a famous company making toilets named Thomas Crapper. But more colloquially, it's called the loo, whereas here in America it's called the John. So there's a nice John with a plastic shower. No big deal, but it's pretty clean. You can see the silicones have been done recently, so they're kind of keeping up to date with this place. Here's glove 1. I don't know where glove 2 went, but hopefully we will soon find it. But guys, yeah, I mean, you can't beat that. I know it's winter, middle of the winter, and stuff, and I know it's the middle of the winter, but still, for $58, guys, what more do you want? Nice warm room. Okay. Gonna hang some stuff there on the bike, the stuff that's more wet, right in front of our trusty here air conditioner, so it'll dry it out. Yeah, guys, so yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day here. Basically, we did 53 miles today, so I'm pretty psyched about that. We did 60 yesterday, but we had the